tutorial. Today we are doing KodeKloud Engineer, Kubernetes Level 2, task number 6, deploy Jenkins on Kubernetes. So let's start. Okay, our task is first to create a namespace called Jenkins, then create a service for Jenkins deployment. Service name should be this, under Jenkins namespace. Type should be node port should be 30008. Create a Jenkins deployment under Jenkins namespace. It should be named as Jenkins deployment. Label type should be Jenkins. Container name should be Jenkins container. Use this as image. And container port should be this with replica count 1. Okay, so this is how we do this. kubectl create namespace Jenkins. Then we will create deployment first and then expose it. So let's kubectl create deployment. Name is Jenkins-deployment. Under namespace Jenkins. Image should be, let's copy paste. Replicas should be 1. And we will dry run this. Okay, let's forward this to jenkins.yaml. And now let's edit this YAML manifest file. Okay, so name is correct, namespace is correct, replicas 1. Okay, so label should be app equals to Jenkins. So label is this. And container name should be Jenkins container. And we need to add container port. Let's double check documentation for a second. You should always refer to documentation. Also, during the CK and CKD exams, you can use documentation. So that's great. So you don't have to remember anything. Okay, just ports, container ports, okay. So we do it here. Let's check indentation one more time. Okay. Container port should be 88. Let's save and check this one more time. So name Jenkins deployment. Namespace Jenkins. This is the label. Container is called Jenkins container. This is the image. And container port is 8080 with 1 replicas. Okay, this is correct. We will now create this. Let's check. It's in creating stage. Okay, it's running. So now we need to create this service. Easiest way to do it is kubectl expose deployment Jenkins deployment under namespace Jenkins. Type should be node port, and port is set to 8080. And we will edit node ports afterwards. kubectl get service under namespace Jenkins. Okay, I did a mistake. I need to name the service like this. So we are missing one argument. Name Jenkins service. Because if you don't specify this flag name, it gives the same name the service as name of the deployment. Okay, now let's edit it just to change this node port. kubectl edit service Jenkins service under namespace Jenkins, and we edit this to be 3008. Okay. Okay, now let's check this button if everything's working. Yes, so this is the front page of Jenkins when you first are setting it up. So this is correct, and we can now press check, and that's it. Yes, thanks for watching. Bye.